Hi there. Today we'll be showing you Foveate's interactive storytelling system called Moments. Let's get started. So back in our model here, now we've uploaded our architectural model from SketchUp. We have another entourage model here, and we have a PDF that we've uploaded as well. So let's just name our scene. I'll call this Trade Show Event, and we can start making moments. So moments are like the slides of a 3D presentation. Basically with Foveate, you can create a moment anywhere where your camera is looking. So here, what we could do is use WASD, Q, and E to fly around. We'll take a shot of our overall environment. Press the blue button here, and that'll create our first moment. All right, so now when we've done that, what it's done here is that it's captured this camera point of view, an FOV. We have a little thumbnail of it here, and now we're able to title our moment. So we can call this overview of event. We could add some moment description. So here we could talk about any number of things. It could be something we want to describe about this space. It could be information that we want to tell somebody else. Let's say you're a manager and you're communicating a moment to your designer. You could write in some review notes here about things you want to change or modify, what have you. And every moment also has your profile picture of the person who created it and a timestamp when they did it. So this is a very easy way that people can comment on things and know exactly when someone created this moment. Moments also allow you to link to other things, so you can add any link here. It could be a link to a web page that is a product, for example, that you want to be inside of this event. It could be a link to a Dropbox that has all sorts of files in it that people would need to access. You can also use this button here that you can embed things in. We'll get to that in another video. And then moments also have things called attachments. So attachments are things like animations in your 3D file that can be triggered to play, a video asset that could be played at this moment, an image that could be attached to here, a PDF drawing, an audio file, an AR file, what have you. This is our first moment. Let's adjust the FOV here. We want a little bit more zoomed in, and then we can also adjust how long it takes to get here. So right now the default is 1 second. So we'll go fly around to another point of view in space. We can press this button here to jump into first person, and this allows us to now fly around our scene as if we were a person walking around in it. So instead of orbiting around a predetermined orbit point, what we can do is walk around it like a person would. So we'll make another moment here. We'll call it main floor. And we don't really want this forest background here, so I'm going to jump back to my scene settings, my environment. I'm going to blur that out. This way it's just not as noticeable. Also, I want to rotate it so the highlights are on the imagery wall here. And this is for an event taking place in Vietnam. Also, I have this stage elevation here that we made previously. So what I could do now is attach that to a point of view. So we'll go back to our main floor moment here, and we'll attach that PDF drawing. So now, if I play from that point of view, so jump me back there, I can press PDF, and I can see an elevation, the PDF drawing that I've attached to this particular moment in space. And anyone can use this interactive presentation just like a slide deck by using these arrow keys to jump between the moments. So there's no need to animate camera paths or anything like that. Foveate automatically will do that twinning for you no matter where someone is in the scene. So I'll automatically jump them back to your predetermined points of view so you can always be in control of the narrative. Now with moments, they can take all sorts of attachments and triggers. So if we had renders, for example, we could fly around to wherever the renders were taken from. Let's say we do them in a high-end application like V-Ray, and then be able to give some more contextual awareness to where that render was taken. All right, that was a super short overview of moments, but we'll be showing you more in the following videos.